In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create project requests with built-in approval flows, quick, easy, and step-by-step. If you've ever struggled with project approvals or tracking, this method is going to streamline the entire process for you. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to create your project request form. Start by opening up the software we're using today. You'll see an option to create a new project request or task. Click on that, and you're ready to start filling out the form. This is where you can input essential information like project name, description, and any details that need to be reviewed. Now here's the key. Once you've entered your details, you need to configure the approval flow. This is what makes it powerful. In the software, you'll find a section for workflow or approval settings. You can choose to route the request to a specific team member or group of people who will review and approve the project. Most systems let you set up conditional approval too. This means that if one person approves, it might automatically move on to the next person or team, or perhaps it's rejected if certain conditions aren't met. This flexibility ensures that only the right people are involved at the right time, making the process efficient and organized. Don't worry if it sounds complicated. The software we're using today simplifies it all with easy-to-navigate settings. After you configure the approval flow, make sure you test the process. Create a mock request, run it through the approval stages, and see how it works. You can adjust the flow if needed, ensuring that everything works smoothly. Once you've tested and confirmed that the approval flow is functioning properly, you can start using it in real projects. From there, you can track requests, approvals, and rejections all in one place. This saves you time and keeps everyone on the same page. Now, I want to mention that I've tested all the most popular project management tools for this, and this particular software stands out. If you want to follow along with me, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software that you can access in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it. Let's wrap up with a quick key takeaway. Creating project requests with built-in approval flows ensures that you have a streamlined, automated process for managing tasks and approvals, saving you time and reducing confusion. The software we are using makes it easy to set up and manage these flows so you can focus on what matters most, getting projects done. Remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along and explore this software yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.